Golden client, test clienting, and technical.
Okay. In quality server, what clients we have?
Integrated testing client.
And a training client. Correct. In production, we have only one client. Just the main login ID. There's only one client that is used by the users to log in. Correct. Good. Okay. So now here we have levels of data. Now, what are the levels of data we have? Configuration data, master data, transaction. What is the difference between configuration data and master data? How do you know the difference?
If it is saved, then it's configuration data.
If it is
Save
all are saved only. GL account also saved, transaction also
means we
saved.
will save it to requests only. If there
Uh,
any data is saved to request, then it's configuration data.
if it is saved in request, if it is asking for a request, you should understand that it is configuration data. If it is not asking for vendor master, customer master, will it ask?
No.
No, it will not ask. So it is master data. Okay. Examples of configuration data.
FBMP, FBZP.
Okay. Examples of master data.
FK01, FD01, A01.
Master data, vendor master, customer master, asset master, GL master, cost center, profit center. All these are master data. Examples of transaction data.
Vendor invoice, customer invoice.
Maybe 506070, F-53, F-28, APP, yeah, F110. All these are transaction data. Correct? Good. So now, imagine there is one company. What you need to understand is there is one company. Suppose our Zoho is there, Zoho Automobiles. It is already running or newly born company? Already running. Running on some other software, right? So imagine Zoho Automobiles is running on the Tally ERP. It is already running company. Already J accounts are there, vendors are there, customers are there. Everything is already there, but it is there on Tally system. Now, what is your job now? What you are doing as a part of implementation? You have to shift this guy and put him on SAP. Correct. So in the Tally, what levels of data we have? In the Tally, what levels of data? All this data, configuration data, master data, all this data is there in the Tally? Yes. So as a first thing, which data you will create in SAP?
Configuration data.
Okay. How this configuration data will move to production? What is the process? What is the process, guys? We call it as a change process. Configuration changes. Change process. Can you tell me how it will go to production? Configuration data. See, end of the day, the company, this Zoho, it will run on which server?
Production server.
Production. So which system should be ready now? Production system. So in the production, we want all data, no? Configuration data, master data, and transaction. All the data we want up to date. See, when you are handing over, na, see, when they are shifting from Tally to SAP, you want the last transaction also to come to SAP, right? Correct. Can you miss some transactions and tell them, come on, you start from here? You cannot do that.
No.
Last transaction up to last day, last transaction, it should come into SAP. Then only next day they can continue with a new transaction. Correct, na? So if some transactions are missing in the middle, can they continue with the new document in the SAP? They cannot. So they have to bring up to date with Tally. So so when you are shifting, when the go live happens, on the go live date, on the go live date, Tally system, SAP system, they should be equal. They should be matching. Correct or not? Master data, configuration data, master data, and transaction data, they should be matching up to date. So last transaction also should come there. Then only they can post next transaction in SAP. Agree with me? If some transactions are missing, some balances are not up to date, can they do next transaction in SAP? Can they do? They cannot. Correct? Now agree with me? Yeah. So if tomorrow is the go live, today what should be there? Up to date it should be. So both Tally and SAP should be same. Then you can shift. Is that clear? Okay. So how you are doing this? First configuration data you are bringing into production. Okay. How the configuration data will come now? Tell me the change process. Tell me about change process. How it will come? Configuration data. How you will bring it into production? Are you doing directly in production?
No, sir. We will
No,
do
I
in
don't. I
testing.
don't have time. I want to do faster. Can I do directly in production?
No.
Why no?
You have to test it.
We have to,
If I do directly in production, what will happen?
if any
Error may
default is
happen.
there, the production server will go out.
Ah, business is going to run on it, guys. Business will, business will suffer, na? If the issue comes, business will get struck, na? Dangerous it is. Correct or not? So why do you want to do test on a live system? No, right? You always do it on a support systems. Yeah. Come on, tell me the process. So where you will start first?
From the golden client to the develop quality server integration after
No, no,
testing.
no, no. Slow. Tell me the proper. He's asking you. He
Sure.
will ask you to tell the process clearly, whether you know what is the process or not. Yeah, tell me how you do. Hmm.
From the golden client to
No,
the
first you log into which server.
To log into
golden
development server,
Hmm.
development and golden.
and again we have to give the client a golden client.
Hmm.
There in there we have to develop the changes.
We have to do the changes.
Exactly. New implements.
Hmm.
Once it's, then we have to modify to. I mean, we have to transfer to unit testing of development server
Transfer.
of the
Transfer. Huh? What do you call it?
client copy.
Use the words now.
Okay.
Hmm.
To client copy to the unit testing
Hmm.
client of the development server.
Hmm.
Once we check there and it's successful, then we come back to golden client of development server,
Hmm.
and we will request. I mean, we will move. What we will transfer to for unit testing server. I mean,
Hmm.
sorry,
The
quality
Again.
assurance.
quality server.
You are missing key elements.
Within
Ah.
this, we transfer it to quality server.
No. Direct shortcut you are going. I want it in detail. Okay. So what you do? So release concept you did not talk about. Did you talk about release? No.
No.
Then you raise a ticket to basis people, give them a
Yes.
request number, tell them to transport the changes to quality. Correct, na? The process you
Yes.
have to say, right? Yeah. Okay. So then in quality, they will move to quality server. It will come into integration testing client where we
Yes.
will do the higher level test. So again, I am repeating. First, we log into development server, golden client. In the golden client, we will make the changes, configuration changes we do. Those changes we client to copy to unit testing. Okay. So then once we are in, how do we do the client copy? We log first, we note down the request number in the golden client, log out of golden client, log in into unit testing client. In unit testing client, we use the T code SCC1 to copy the changes from golden client to unit testing client. So once those changes are in unit testing, then I do some testing there. Then if the training is unsuccessful, again go back to golden client, again change copy, then client copy again to unit testing until it is successful. So once it is successful, then I take the screenshots of it, save the screenshots of the test results. I'll keep it as a requirement. I'll save them. I will keep them as a record. And once I'm once this is done, test results are successful. Then what I do, I'll go back to golden client. There I will release the request. Correct. So after releasing the request, I raise a ticket to basis people, right, to transport the changes to quality side, right. So what the basis people will do, they will check whether the request is released or not, then only they will accept the ticket. And once they have accepted, they will move the changes, right, they will transport the changes to quality server integration testing client. After transporting, they will mail us, right, they will mail saying that we have transported the changes, please check and confirm, right. So then what we do, we log in into golden we will log in into quality server integration testing client. We log in. After logging in, we go and check whether the changes have come into that server or not. The integration testing client, if the changes have come or not, right. If they have come, then we say yes, we got it, thank you. Then we confirm back to basis P. That is the process. Okay. So once they are there, then we are doing the integration testing. That is same way guy will bring, SD guy will bring his changes into integration. There we will do higher level test. Correct? 99% there should not be any failure cases in integration testing. In some cases it may fail. If it fails, again we have to restart the process from development server golden client. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So this is the way you should be able to tell them clearly that you know something, you know all this clarity you have. Okay, good. Okay, so can we do the testing in the development golden client?
No.
No, sir.
No. Can we make the changes in the development unit testing?
No.
No,
No. Can we make the changes in the quality server?
No.
Changes
no,
in quality
no,
server?
No.
No,
Not
never. Changes always only
golden.
golden key.
only one place. Development server golden client. Correct? So there should not be anything on any of the servers which is not there in the golden client. Correct? Yeah, it's very important. Right. So now once we have done the integration testing, again we capture the results, then we tell the user also to do the testing. Once he is satisfied, we take the UAT clearance from him. Right? Either he has to mail or he has to confirm in document that he got whatever he wanted. Then we will transport the changes to production. Is it clear? Good. So that is the process. So here next here one more client is there, that is a training client, where we will give the training to the user. See, training is also our responsibility, guys. Training is also our responsibility. See, we are getting the system ready now. We are removing from their office. We are removing Tally system, putting SAP system there. Correct. Now system is ready, but user not ready, no? If the accountant does not know SAP, if he does not know FB50, FB60, can he post?
No.
He cannot. So
No,
training is also whose responsibility? Your
sir.
responsibility. So you will train the user, right? How you will train the user? So you have to prepare training documents. Kada? What you will train? What you will train the user? What things you train? Only postings. FB50, FB60, F-53, FB70, F-28, F110, those. Correct? Those you train on. Right? So you will train the user how to post the transactions in SAP. Clear? So training is also your job. Okay. So then you cannot train, there are 10,000 users are there. Can you train all the 10,000 users?
No.
No, right? So there is a concept called TTT, we call it TTT, triple T. Triple T. Triple T means what? Triple T means what? Train the trainer. Train the trainer, we call it. Means we are training the CTMs. CTMs will train the super users. Super users will train the end users. Correct. So in every department, who is a super user, guys? See, in every department there will be one
Manager.
talented guy will be there, no? Every department one guy will be there, no? The contact person, correct or not? A point of contact, right? POC. That guy will be the super user usually. So CTMs will train the super users. Super users will train the end users. So we are not training all end users. We are training only few people. Train the trainer. We are training the trainers. So trainers will train other people. You understand, no? Good. So that is so if someone asks you in the interview, okay, how did you train the users? You should say train the trainer concept. We have trained few CTMs. They in turn train the super users. Super users train the end users. It's like uh, you train you train five CTMs. So five CTMs will train probably into 10. Okay, into 10 super users. So how many we now? 50 super users will train into probably 100 users. So that's how the 5,000 people already taken care. Na? Like, got it? So train the trainer concept you have to. And then one more important thing. Suppose they ask you, what is the most challenging thing you have done on your project? Tell me, according to you, he will ask you like this. According to you, what is the most challenging thing or the challenge that you faced on your project? Hmm. What is your answer? Hmm. What challenges you faced on your project? See, project will not go smooth no, all times. Some challenges you will come across. No? Yeah. Tell me. No, don't tell me like, there are no challenges. According to you, what is the most challenging work you have done? That is the question. What is your answer? Hmm. No answer? You did not come across anything challenging, guys, till now? Everything was smooth for you here in SAP? Huh? What is the most challenging thing you have done? Huh?
Identifying the errors.
Identifying the errors. Okay.
Configuration.
Okay. What configuration? What do you think it is the most challenging?
BRS.
BRS. Okay. Okay. Right. If he says, what is there in BRS? OT83. A few things are there. Posting rules. Na? Just understand. He's a 15 years guy. Na? 15 to 20 years senior guy. What is there in BRS? He'll say like this. What is so great about it? Such a simple thing. You felt it challenging, he will say like this. Ah, so fine. You can say anything. Yeah, provided you can say some kind of requirement was there. Fine. But there is one answer I will give you. So never talk about anything subject related. Correct? So if this question comes to you, don't talk about subject related. Talk something like you face the challenge in the training. Okay. When I was training the user, I faced some challenges. Okay. What challenges? See, sometimes it happens in the project that the users, they are reluctant. You come across resistance. See, it happened in one of my projects. This was the UK. Typical it is. See, the management, it was a project for the county councils. Means what? See, now you have municipalities here, no? There
Yes.
you
Yes.
have county councils.
Yes.
Now, the government, the management, they wanted to bring SAP into county councils. But the staff, no, government staff, same. uh, so they were working on there used to be sage system, no, old system. They were working on that system for 30 years, 25 years, 30 years they are working, no? No, complacent, relaxed. 20 years they have been working on the system. Now you are telling them, come on, change, move to SAP, learn SAP now means, will they be ready to do? No, no.
No.
See, some people there, they are about to retire. In about 2 years, he will retire. At the retirement phase, you are telling him, come on, learn SAP, work on SAP. Correct or not? Do you think he will be able to cope up? No. So, so there was resistance there. No? So, management wants to bring in SAP, but staff, they were not ready. So, when I was training, they are not telling openly. Openly, they are not saying, we don't want SAP. If they say, they will remove them from service. Correct? So they are not telling openly. The resistance means indirectly they are saying, no, whatever you train, whatever you are explaining. Now, suppose you took 1 hour session. Uh, After 1 hour, they say, I didn't understand. Simple one answer. 5 hours you train. Again, also slowly you take 5 hours. Again, after 5 hours, not understood. So now you have a project deadline. You have to take signatures from them. They should say, yes, we have we have understood. We are able to do. They have to take the signatures, right? Yeah. So now project deadline is going off. These people are not supporting. Correct. So we understood. Actually, they were able to understand, but they don't want to accept it. They just want to delay the project. You know their tactics, resistance tactics. Okay, so then we have to report to this their project manager. We told our project manager, we had a discussion with their project manager. Then how to handle this? We had a meeting. So you know what they did? In every meeting, in every training session, there used to be a top guy, na? The zonal manager, na? You have, na? That guy used to sit in the class. Correct? And anything I tell, na, he used to say, oh, such a simple thing, so easy, it's brilliant. You have taught us very well, na? Okay? He was saying like that. And other people cannot say no, na? You understand? When senior guy is sitting in the class, he is saying such an easy thing, even dumbbells can understand. He was saying like that. So then can other people say they didn't understand? No. So that's how we dragged them into accept. Correct? So some solution should be there. No? So he was sitting. So we had the support of the management. Management sent few people. They were sitting in each sessions. They were sitting with the staff and making them forcibly. They were getting the training done. Correct. And then we cleared it. You got it. So that is the process. Okay. So you can say like this. These are the challenges I faced. So in one of my student, he was doing this project in India in Vizag. So this is a government project. Yeah, and he was supposed to train this government employees. Correct? India government, you have to train them. This is a senior guy, general manager, but he's also end user. No? Yeah. So then no timings. You have a training session at 10 o'clock. They come at 12 o'clock. You start the session lunch. Then after lunch, you will have to wait. They will come at 4 o'clock. Hurry, burry, you want to train? 4:30 they leave. You understand? No? Then how do you train? He is a client. You cannot complain also, right? Yeah. You got it? So these are the challenges you face. Sometimes the client will be senior guy. The guy you have to train is a senior guy, is a general manager. He is 55 years old. Will he listen to you? No, right? Right?
No.
So he will say, no, you are like my experience is more than your age, no? You understand the statement? My experience is more than your age. Yeah, see the domination like that. These kind of things you will come across. You have to overcome all this, somehow complete all this, and then get on with the project. So when you are talking about this question, you should talk about such things. Sometimes language is a barrier. Your client is a German guy. You are English guy. You are talking in English. Your English he will not understand. His English you will not understand. You understand? Na? So all these problems, the language problems, accent problems. Both are talking in English, but accent differs. Correct or not? European English different, American English different, our English different. All are not same English. Na? All are in English only, but not same. Correct, na guys? When some people talk in English, can you understand? You
No.
cannot understand. Correct, na? So this accent problems. You can talk anything, but you talk about not related to the subject. If you talk about subject, na, he will drill you. If you say bank BRS, na, he will focus on that and he will go to the extent. No? What is that you face it? Because he's a senior guy, na? Understood everybody? This is what you
Yes.
have to answer. Okay? So you say, in training, I had faced some difficulties. Either it is a resistance or whatever. You choose something and you talk about it. Okay? Good. Next thing that we are going to talk about is the cutover activities. Okay, cutover. How do we take this data? Now, configuration data already there in production, guys. Already there in production. Now, what about master data? How we bring master data? Okay, so master data. How we bring master data and transaction data into SAP system. Okay, so here can we create master data in development and take it into production?
No,
No. So where we have to create master data?
The production only.
In the
production.
production directly. Do we have access to production?
No.
No. So here we have something called cutover. We have something called cutover date and go live date. Okay. So go live date is something like we have like 1st of June, yeah? 1st of June 2025. Then cutover date will be exactly like 1 week before. Kada? 1 week before cutover date will be there. Somewhere around like 23rd of July, like this. June, okay? 23rd.
May.
No. June only. Sorry, okay. Correct. Yeah. 23rd of May. Okay. So 1 week before we have the cutover date. Cut over means we are cutting off and taking over. So we cut over legacy system, take over into SAP. That is what is a cutover meaning. Cut over. Cut legacy, take over with SAP. Cutover activities. Okay. So in cutover activities, what we do? First, we have to create the master data. We have to create transaction data, right? So what we do? We will ask. We ask. So what we do? We will. So for a brief period, for this 1 week, we have access to production. They will give temporary access to production. Understand? For this brief period, 1 week between cutover and go live, we will have access to production. During this period, short period, we have to create thousands of master data. Correct? And then we have to bring in the transaction data also. So we have to create master data faster. Correct or not? Yeah, we don't have time to go to FS00, enter, save. We cannot create thousands of GL accounts like that, no? So we have to create master data faster. Here we have some tools. Tools like LSMW will come in. LSMW means what? Legacy system migration workbench, we call it. Legacy system migration work. What is this? It is helping us to create the
Migrated.
master data faster. Okay, it will have the recording system, right? You know, in uh, here in what do you call, in Excel we have macros, no? In Excel
Yes.
we have macros, you know,
Yes, sir.
macros. Macros, what it is, ma? What is macros in SAP? Macros in Excel?
If we create a macro in Excel, then we can create many worksheets or Excel sheets.
So how you create macros? You do recording, no?
Yes.
Correct? So if you
Uh,
keep if you do the recording and keep the recording in the loop, it will keep on doing the same work again and again, right? Same way here also in LSMW. Suppose now my FS00 is there, right? So what I do, I will create a test GL, right? And what I do, I will record this process. Understand? I will record this process, right? So that recording, I will put it in the loop. Then system will keep on running that record. It will give new data. It will give new data and it will create new GLs.
okay.
Correct. So first I will record this process. I will create the recording, right? I will create a recording. I will create, and that for that recording, I will create a file, create a file and supply data. Okay, and provide data for for every time recording runs, no, it will take the data from this file. First line, okay, first GL created. Second line, second GL created. Third line, third GL created. Like that, it will run the recording again and again. You understand the concept, guys? So first I create a GL. While creating GL, I will record the process. That recording I will provide to the system, and then for that recording, whatever fields I enter, I will supply the data for it. That file I will provide. That file it will take, and it will keep on running the recording. Got it? Okay. So now what it is? Okay. So let us see. I will show you LSMW. I want to create GL accounts faster. Okay. Okay. Come on. So I'll show LSMW. Same thing is in S4. Yeah. If there is a difference, I would have definitely shown you. Right. So the whatever are there, just let me show you here only so that you can do some practice. Yeah. LSMW. Okay. So legacy system migration workbench. So here LSMW. Here. What is our project? Our project is like ZAPL GL creation. Yeah. Okay. Let me create ZAPL GL. Okay. Let me create like this. ZAPL GL creation. ZAPL GL creation. Okay. Now click on create option here. Click on create option. Click on create. Then you give ZAPL GL creation. Press enter. This is my ZAPL GL creation. Let's give same name. Sub object it is asking ZAPL GL. Okay, so be it. Enter. Now when you execute, it will give one big list. This is a list you have to follow. System will guide you what to do. Okay. System will guide you what to do. So here. So first execute now. Yeah. Concentrate, guys. This see, this is not compulsory, right? You can do manually also. GLs you can create, right? Your big Excel sheet is there. All the GL parameters are already there. You can go to FS00 and you can create. But if you know this, you can create GLs faster. Correct? Okay. So it's not compulsory that GLs have to be created using LSMW only, right? Huh? Yeah. So now you click on this.
Go again.
Okay. So you go to LSMW, press enter. Right. I created this one. Click on execute. Here. Then I go first tab. Execute. Yeah. Execute. So here we are always in the display mode. Remember this. Whenever you go to any screen, it will be directly in the display mode. What I should do now?
Click on pencil symbol to change.
Click on pencil symbol. Yeah. Now here we are which option we are selecting? We are selecting recording option. This batch input recording. Yeah. Select this batch input recording option. Okay. Now what I do next? Click on the here. So click on the here overview. This. Yeah. Click on the overview. Recordings overview. I'm creating the recording now. Okay. Click on recordings overview. Recordings will start now. Recording will start. So now I will create one account which is not there in my ZAPL. No? Okay, what is the recording that is not there? What is the GL account? Go to FS00. Go to your company code. Okay, now you have no. So you go to your company code. What is your company code? ZAPL. Correct. Okay. Here, hmm, here I have my expenses. No. Okay. Here I have my 4 lakh 15 is there. After that 78 is there. Okay. Lot of gap here. No. Okay. So I can create from here, right? So right. So no problem. Same way incomes also there is 3 lakh 1 to 8 is there. After that gap is there. No problem. Now next I am going to, so this number should be available, then only my recording will work. No? So click on create. I am creating the recording. Yeah, recording. So this is my name. No? ZAPL GL recording. Okay. Now description ZAPL GL creation. Okay. So this is the recording name. This is a present. Here you give the transaction. What is the transaction to create GL? It is FS00, right? Yeah. You
Yes.
can use FS01 also. You can use FS00, but use FS01. Both are same. See guys, I'll show you. See FS00 also same screen will come. FS01 also same screen will come. The difference is when you are having this hierarchy, no, like this line is there, you will use FS01. Okay. Okay. So give FS01, FS00, FS01, both are same. Present. Now I am in the recording now. Already I am in the recording. Okay. Yeah. What is my number? 400 some number, 30 number. What is my company code? Huh?
Type it.
ZAPL.
ZAP. Now here press enter. What is my short text? ZAPL test GL. Okay, this is my ZAPL test GL. Okay, next. Is it a balance sheet or P&L? It's a P&L. So select here P&L text. Select X. Then account group. What is the account group we are following? It is account group what? What
Expenses.
account group? Expenses. Correct na? Good. Now press enter. So right first. Yeah. See guys, you can do this in your normal server. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now press enter. Press enter. Second screen will come. Account currency you give. Account currency what you are giving? INR. Then select only balances in local currency. Yeah. Then what you do? You select line item display. Short key
0.
001. Yeah. Next, come down. Come down here only field status group it will ask. Okay. Okay. So all the third screen is coming here only. Yeah. Right. So third screen is coming here only. So here I am selecting field status group as G00
1.
1, 1 also you can use, 4 also you can use. No problem. Okay, clear? So I'm doing the recording now. I'm in the recording. So I will save it. So the recording will get saved, right? Recording will get saved. Recording is saved. Okay, now you click on the default all button, this one. Click on default all button. Click on default all button. Click on default all. Then you will get what are the fields I entered, guys, in this recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fields I entered, correct? Yeah. So now I need to supply data for these 11 fields. No? If I want to create another GL, right? According to my recording, I should give, right? Yeah. Okay, now save it. Save. So recording is saved. You go back. Yeah, go back. Go back again. So now here in the recording, in the recording, you can give your record. Your recording will come. Correct? You have created recording, it will come. Good. Now you go back. Do you want to save? Yes. Now you are already first step is over. First step is over. Correct? Recording completed. Next. It will automatically shift to second step, you see. Okay. So maintain source structures. Maintain source structures. Execute this. Okay. Maintain source structures. Execute this. So now here it is always in the display mode, na? Always in display mode. So what I should do now? Pencil. Click on create. Here you give the source structure, na? So something like ZAPL GL creation. This is my ZAPL GL creation. Correct, na? Present. Contains blank. Okay, so this blank should not be there. Okay, no problem. Present. Okay. Now you select this, click on okay. So it is there already created. Now save it. You created the structure, that's it. Enough. Go back. Third one. Maintain source fields. Maintain source fields. Click on execute on this. Click on execute. Right. So here click on change again. Click on just 1 minute. We are in what? We are in third one. Execute. So
Sir,
click
now
on.
you are in which server?
We are, yeah, we will be in the, you mean which server means? In the production we are.
Okay.
We do this LSMW in production directly. Okay. Yeah. So now, so click on edit. Let's click on this one. Table, click on table maintenance. Here we have to enter all those fields. Okay. So what you can do is in the starting screen when you created the recording, right? Here, when you created, right? So when you click on this one, here when you go to overview, when you are having all this GL creation steps are there, na? All these are there, right? You can do one thing. You can do one thing. Put press Control Y. Yeah, Control Y. See now this cursor is there, na? Okay, this cursor. So you open one Excel sheet to make your life easy. You open an Excel sheet. You open an Excel sheet. Okay. Yeah. So here we open one Excel. Yeah. We open one Excel. Here what I do, let me open one Excel. Yeah. Here what I do here is, where is that one gone? Yeah, here na. So here my cursor is there na. So Control Y, you click, you will get a plus symbol. Na? Can you see? Plus. So this you will copy like this. You'll copy. Got it? Copy, Control C. You know no copy, Control C. You put it here. You bring it onto your screen. Excel. So keep it all this ready. Right? So or else what you can do, you can copy 111. Na? Okay, display recording. Control Y. You copy only fields first. Control C. Bring it onto your Excel. Paste it here. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, what you do, again go to display records. Control V. Control Y. Y again. Select all this description. Select all this description. Control C. And then again put it on your Excel. Second column, yeah. Okay, so now you have no. So what you do, all these gaps you remove. Okay, so this one's also you remove in the middle. Okay, delete the rows. Here also what you do, you delete these rows. Okay, done. So total how many fields we have? Total how many fields? 11, na? Matching to my recording, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So now what I do, I go back to my recording. I'll go back. I'm in the third step now. I'm in the third step. So I open this. Then what I do, I open this. I click on change. Then what I do, I click
Table.
on table maintenance. Here I will give same field. So I copy from here. Field name I will copy. I will copy all these fields. Copy. And I will put it in the source fields here. Got it? Okay. Then what I do? Okay. What is this field name? What type of data it is? Use character. Use data type as C only. So here we have C. C means character. Okay. Field with alpha numerical content. Character. So use like this C. So it can take anything. C. All of them you put C only. Okay. All of them you put C. Next. Length. How many lengths? So here length it will tell you from here. So this name you copy now. This name you copy. All these names you copy. This will make it easier for you. So you put the field description here. Correct. Now you come back here. Come on, tell me what is the length, guys, here. Okay, length of the GL account number. What is the length? Maximum length.
10.
10, na?
50,
Company code.
10.
Company code 10 length.
No, 4.
4.
4. Come on. He will fall in the interview if you answer like this. The interviewer will get fits. Company code 10 length. Length is 10. Really? Then
I thought of this field description length.
field description length. Okay. So company code length. It is okay. And now short text. Short text 20 characters. This is 50 characters. This is what length? PL account type. P&L account. P&L account type. Yes or no? Is it P&L account or not? P&L account type give 2 here. 2. Okay. Next account group. GL account group. 4 characters.
4
CXPN. Correct. Yeah. Currency.
3.
3 characters. Only balances in local currency. Yes or no? So 2 characters. Then line item display also yes or no, 2 characters. Then what? Short key, 3 characters, right? Yeah.
3.
Field status group,
4.
4 characters.
4 characters. That's it. Save it. Fill in all, this is not there now. This you select. And delete. So is there anything here? Okay, let me cancel this. Yes. Okay, so total how many fields I have given? 11 fields data I have given. Okay. Now you go back, save it, go back. So third step over, fourth step, we are entering the fourth step. Okay, we are entering fourth step. So execute this. Then what you do, you put the cursor on this. Always it will be in display only. You have to go to pencil, change. And no need to do anything here. We are not creating any relationship as such, not required. Just to save it. Go back. Now here field mapping and conversion rules you have to do. Okay, field mapping and conversion we have to do. So execute, click on change button, change mode. Then you go to extras. We have something called auto field mapping. Extras and auto field mapping.
Sir, once go back to the steps.
This step. Okay, go back. It
Maintain.
will automatically shift from one field to another field. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we'll stop here. Tomorrow we will have one session from 6:30. Yeah, we'll have a bigger session. So shall we have from 6:30 to 8:30 2 hour session, guys, tomorrow? Yep.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we are planning. So if we can put in more hours, we can finish off early, right? Yeah. So
Sir,
tomorrow. Yeah. So today we will stop here. Tomorrow I will continue this one. Yeah. No need to worry. We will continue this
Yeah,
tomorrow.
Sunday.
Sunday also you will have. Yeah.
But 2
Sunday.
hours.
Yeah, probably 2 hours only. So tomorrow you have from 6:30 to 8:30. You have.
8:30.
Okay. 2 hour
Sir,
session, and Sunday also same 6:30 to 8:30. And we will try to complete this project side of things, and we will complete those topics in FSCM. 3-4 topics are there. That also we will complete. Okay.
Okay.
Maximum we can be able to wind up by Sunday. We'll see. Okay, guys. Right.
tomorrow
So
6:30 to 8 is
8:30.
possible.
8:30, ma. 8:30 we take.
8 not, sir.
Half an hour you try to adjust somehow. Okay. Yeah. So
Okay, sir.
tomorrow 6:30 to 8:30. Sunday also 6:30 to 8:30. Okay, guys. Yep. Right. So we'll try to complete this project side, and we complete those topics also. Okay. Right then.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.